Hello students, let us discuss one more question that is from JEE Main January session. So that is increasing order of basicity for the following intermediates. Okay, actually these are the intermediates given, so we can identify the basicity order for these intermediates. So here to solve this question, first of all we should identify the acidic nature. Okay, the simple way, first of all you have to identify the acidic nature. So these are the intermediates. For these intermediates, these are the acids actually. If you remove this proton, this is a conjugate base, is nothing but carbanion. If you remove the proton from this carbon, it is a conjugate base. If you remove the proton from the acetylene, they are the conjugate base. So first of all here, among these five compounds, which is the more acidic in nature? So here, to identify the acidic nature of given compound, first let us check the stability of the carbanion, that means conjugate base. So for HCN, this is the conjugate base. That means Cn minus is the conjugate base. For CH4, CH3 minus is the conjugate base. And for acetylene, this is the conjugate base. For this one, CH2 double bond CH and CH2 minus is the conjugate base. And for this one, it is the isobutane. This is isobutane. Then conjugate base is CH3 and CH3, this one CH3 and minus. So which conjugate base is more stable and which conjugate base is least stable? And first of all, you know that actually here it is stabilized by the resonance, and this negative charge is present on the more electronegative carbon. This negative charge is also present on the more electronegative carbon. It is not stabilized by the resonance. It is not stabilized by the resonance. Of course, this carbon is not more alkonegative. So between these two, first of all, let us decide the stability. The tertiary carbanion, this is a methyl carbanion, which is more stable. This methyl carbanion is more stable. This is a least stable carbanion. That means it is a least stable conjugate base. So here acidic nature is a very less. That means here acidic nature of these compounds. So that means A is the least acidic compound, and then this and D is a more acidic compound than the A, because this conjugate base is comparatively more stable than this conjugate base. And next here among the B, C and E, here in this case it is stabilized by the resonance. Of course it is not a dominating factor. Here electronegativity is a more dominating factor. Here this carbon is sp carbon, this carbon is also sp carbon, but here there is a one sp carbon, but in this case there is a nitrogen. So when compared to carbon, nitrogen is a more alkonative. So here this HCN is a more acidic compound. Here Cn minus is more stable. So E is a more acidic one than the C. And then here B, it is the acidic nature. So actually here there is a one statement, the conjugate base of strong acid is a weak base. So what is the strong acid? HCN. So its conjugate base is a weak base. And here among this compound, which is a weaker acid, A is a weaker acid. So its conjugate base is a very strong base. That means here the basicity order is exactly a reverse of this one. A is a strong base, and next D is a strong base, and next B and C and E is a weaker base, because corresponding acid is a stronger acid. Okay, so for stronger acid, conjugate base is a weaker base. Okay, for weaker acid, conjugate base is a very strong base. Okay, so that is the basis order for this question. Okay, thank you for watching.